We're going on vacation. We're going on vacation. And in honor of going on vacation with Penguin, I have my special beach bracelet. See? This is how we know we're about to go on a beach trip. Are you ready?
Oh, I'm always ready. I always have my beach vacation wear ready to go.
Oh, you sure do.
Oh, hey, StoryTeller. Can I go too? I'm ready.
Oh, I can see you're ready, Pink Bear.
Okay. Make sure you pack the SPF lotion stuff because I don't want to turn red, and I look like my brother.
We wouldn't want that. All right, are you ready to go on vacation? I need a vacation from this place. Maleficent! Would you like to go on vacation with us and Penguin? I travel alone. I should have known. Well, Penguin is going on vacation and we're tagging along. Ooh, and it's going to be a beach vacation. So pack the sunscreen and your sunglasses.
I need a vacation, Penguin sighed. Snow again?
My friend, I totally understand. Snow is a big bummer. Penguin had skied, he'd sledded, and he'd skated on vacations before, but at some point you just want to go somewhere different.
99 balls of snow on the ground.
Oh, someplace
tropical. That's it. I'll go on a vacation to the beach,
thought Penguin. I mean, okay, look, nothing is wrong with snow, but sometimes, like Mr. Penguin here, who obviously is an Arctic creature, everyone needs a break. Sometimes you just need a change of scenery, and that's what a vacation is all about. So Penguin packed his bags and headed north.
Goodbye, Grandpa.
Oh, he's got his beach ball. See, he knows how to pack. He probably has sunglasses in here, maybe a little snorkel gear, some shoes for the beach, some flip-flops, And there's Grandpa saying goodbye. Oh, wish Grandpa could take time off and go. Oh, well, maybe next time. Well, he's on his way, and the waves felt bigger and bigger. Oh, the vacation's already starting. It's like he's already surfing. And the sun shone hotter and hotter. Oh, do you see what's happening here? The ice floe that he's on, the giant piece of ice, is getting smaller. And it's just an ice cube here. Fortunately, he's arrived. Finally, Penguin reached the beach. Sun, waving palms, bird. Hey, welcome. And this guy, Crabby. That's Crab for hello. Oh, and look at the seashell, nice and pink, so pretty. Well, it wasn't exactly what Penguin had expected. Ow! The beach was nothing like his icy home. Oh no, of course not. Ooh, looks like he didn't see the sharp pink shell and he stepped on it. Have you ever stepped on a shell on the beach? Ouch, it could get a little sharp. And oops, a coconut on the head. You don't want that to happen. And then, ow! Oh yeah, the sand. The sand gets hot. That's why he needed flip-flops. But Penguin did learn some things, like you can't ski on sand, and you also cannot sled on sand, and you definitely cannot skate on sand. Absolutely not. Despite his very cleverly fashioned coconut skate shoes, but nobody told Penguin there is no such thing as coconut skating shoes.
Are you lost?
Asked Crab.
No, I'm on vacation,
said Penguin.
Then come with me,
said Crab. Oh, Crab! Maybe Crab knows the cool places to go on this island. Oh, let's see what's happening. So Crab, he's gonna show him the ways of the tropics. Crab showed Penguin how to have fun on the beach.
Sandcastle.
I see that. They're building a beautiful one at that. Penguin and Crab played catch, climb, cowabunga! Now see, they're playing with the ball. They're catching the coconuts with their hands and claws, not their heads. And they're doing a little surfing. And they played berry. Penguin loved his new friend. Slurp, 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 slurp. Oh, look at that. They're enjoying a nice bowl of coconut water out there, fresh from the shell. Oh, getting a little sun. Oh, sunset. But all vacations come to an end. It was time for Penguin to go home. Oh, that last day of vacation is such a bummer because you don't want it to end. The journey was long and quiet, but suddenly, something moved in the water. Did you see this? Do you see this? It's his crab, Mr. Crab, his friend. He's in there.
Crab, what are you doing here? I need a vacation too,
said Crab. Oh, so the crab needs a change of pace too. So Penguin and Crab finally reached the shore. Incoming! Splash! Whee! Welcome back. You're home. They swam and swam. They whooshed and pushed. They fished and wished. Whee! Look at that. Crab is getting a taste of the Arctic experience with a little cold water swimming and the sliding and the sledding and the snowman making and the ice fishing and the stargazing. Oh, it's that part again when all vacations come to an end. Goodbye, Crab.
Goodbye, Penguin.
Crab set off for home. See, on his little ice floe, he made a little sail. He's got his bag of toys and left behind the sound of the beach. And can I just point out one thing? Going backwards. Remember how Penguin loves to knit? Well, if you didn't know, Penguin loves to knit. And the sail, he knitted that. Yep. And look at that. There he goes, off in the distance by the glow of the moonlight. I shall return, wrote Crab. Oh, look at that. He wrote a message in the shell. Don't step on it. Don't step on it. So Penguin waited and waited, waited. Looks like a few seasons passed. Maybe that was fall. Maybe that was winter. Maybe this is spring. This is summer. Oh, it's summer. Do you see what's happening? Tiny, tiny, tiny on the horizon. Teeny tiny sail. Do you see that? And one day Crab did. Oh, look at that. He came for his Arctic vacation with all the penguins. He's a daring crab. I like that crab. The end. And look at that. Sometimes we make friends on vacation that last an entire lifetime. I know that's happened to me, and I hope that you get that joy of having special vacation friends for your whole life once you go on a trip. Oh yeah, I have lots of friends I've made on vacation, and then we see each other every year. Every year, hot dog. Oh, that sounds so fun. Oh, no, literally, we make hot dogs on the grill. Oh, Mickey. See you next time, kid, on KidTime StoryTime, where every book takes you on a journey somewhere far, far away. Woo!